Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today I will cook Kach Kolar Kofta or green banana ball curry. It's a traditional Bengali recipe. It's a vegetarian side dish that is served in the main course along with steamed rice or other rice recipes, bread and Indian breads like luchi, paratha, puri, kachori, roti, kulcha and tandoori. It can be part of day-to-day meal as well as special meals. We can make the Bengali niramish version during religious festivals by skipping onion. If you like this recipe, then please subscribe for more recipes. You can also like, share and leave your comments below. Pressure cooked diced potato 3 cups or 3 medium potato. Skin is peeled off. Salt half teaspoon and water 2 cups. For 10 minutes in high heat. Strain water and keep aside. Add green banana 6 cut into 2 pieces to the same water where potato was boiled. Add salt half teaspoon and water 3 cups, optional. Pressure cook for 10 minutes in high heat. We can also peel off skin of green banana and boil it together with potato to save time. Strain water and keep aside. When cool, take off the skin and keep aside. Pour boiled potato and boiled green banana in a bowl. Add ginger paste 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, fennel seeds 1 tablespoon, carom seeds or jowan 1 tablespoon, nigella seeds or kalu jeera 1 tablespoon, and green chili 6 finely chopped. Mash them together with a vegetable masher. If we mash all ingredients together, then the taste of different ingredients blend very well. The masala will be very tasty. I sometimes make this part differently. I saute the whole masalas in little oil till golden brown, then add mashed potato and green banana and chopped green chili or chili powder or black pepper powder to it and cook till the masala is dry. We can use any masala of our choice. We can skip any whole masala as well. In this process, we can simply mix some besan or gram flour to the masala, make balls and fry them. Let's go back to the process used in this video. Add besan or any other binder like cornstarch, corn flour, all-purpose flour, wheat flour, arrowroot flour, etc. About 3/4 cup. Add it little at a time or as per requirement. It will help to make balls and hold it together. Taste it, add whatever is required. Take small portion of potato and green banana masala and make a ball. Roll it in besan or any other binder, optional. This will make the balls dry and hold it together. I got about 23 balls. While I was making the balls, heated some oil for frying. Put the balls one at a time into the hot oil and fry in medium to high heat till brown on all sides. Put the balls on a rack so that the excess oil gets back to the pan. After some time, take off the rack and keep aside. We can also use tissue paper to do so. Heat oil about 10 tablespoons and ghee 1 teaspoon, optional, in a pan. Ghee is for nice aroma and flavor. Add bay leaf 1 and red chili 2, split into 2. Crushed green cardamom 4, cloves 4, cinnamon stick 1 thick, panchforon 1 teaspoon, crushed coriander seeds 1½ tablespoon, and crushed cumin seeds 1½ tablespoon. Saute in medium to high heat till golden brown. The coriander seeds and cumin seeds are crushed in mixer and grinder using the chopping option. Coriander seeds 24 times and cumin seeds 12 times. I sometimes add hing or asafoetida powder a pinch. Add onion paste 1 cup and ginger paste 2 tablespoons. Saute in medium to high heat for 5 minutes till the raw smell of ginger goes away. Add tomato paste 2 cups, turmeric powder 1½ teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 2 teaspoons. Saute in medium to high heat for 7 minutes. Add oil if required. I'm adding oil 2 tablespoons. We can see that the oil has separated from the masala. Stir the masala so that it doesn't get burnt. Add water 4 cups. Salt ½ teaspoon. Sugar 1 teaspoon, optional, and lemon juice 1 teaspoon, optional. Mix well. Cover with a lid and cook for 8 minutes in high heat. This will cook the masala. The balls are cooked already. They won't take much time to cook. After 8 minutes, open the lid. Drop the balls slowly into the curry. Shake the pan. This will mix the curry without breaking the balls. Cover the pan. Cook for 5 minutes in high heat. After 5 minutes, open the lid. Taste it. Add whatever is required. My curry is good. Serve it hot with steamed rice or other rice recipes, bread and Indian breads like luchi, paratha, puri, kachori, roti, kulcha and tandoori. Sometimes I garnish with salad and chopped coriander leaves or cilantro. It serves 4 to 5 people. Please make it at home for friends, family and yourself and let me know how it was. You can follow me on social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Pinterest. The links are given in the description box. I will be back with many recipes. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life.